TLC's hit reality show, 1000 LB Sisters, has captivated millions since its debut, chronicling the incredible weight loss journeys of Kentucky-born siblings Amy and Tammy Slaton. What started as a raw and emotionally gripping series about two morbidly obese sisters seeking better lives has morphed into a spectacle of drama, controversy, and tabloid-worthy revelations. While the spotlight has frequently centered on Tammy's physical and emotional struggles, more and more fans and critics are beginning to ask a tough question: has Amy Slaton, the more likable sister, been unfairly protected by THA show's producers? And more alarmingly, is TLC deliberately shielding Amy's behavior from public scrutiny to preserve her image and maintain the show's momentum? From the beginning, Amy was portrayed as the more responsible of the two Slaton sisters. She was the first to qualify for bariatric surgery. She was also the first to lose a significant amount of weight. She got married, had children, and appeared to be the success story that Tammy struggled to match. But behind the curtain of edited scenes and filtered confessionals, recent allegations, insider whispers, and fan speculation suggest that there may be more to Amy's story than meets the eye. Could it be that TLC has played a heavy hand in shaping Amy as the hero while covering up serious missteps, possibly even dirty deeds, that would change how the public sees her? For years, Amy has been the fan favorite Slaton, often praised for her sense of humor, love for her children, and clear commitment to change. But as the series progressed, inconsistencies began surfacing. Fans pointed out moments when Amy appeared disengaged, even resentful of the responsibilities of motherhood. While reality television often relies on editing for drama, it also relies on omission for image control. And that's where the deeper concerns begin. The first major question arose during the breakdown of Amy's marriage to Michael Halterman. While their separation was initially portrayed as a decision driven by emotional distance and the stress of raising two small children, court documents painted a more complex, and perhaps darker, picture. Michael allegedly filed for divorce citing irreconcilable differences, but insiders hinted at growing frustration with Amy's unpredictable behavior, mood swings, and alleged verbal altercations. Rumors swirled that Amy was often overwhelmed, erratic, and even aggressive behind closed doors, details that never made it to air. Compounding the mystery is the fact that TLC devoted far more airtime to Tammy's behavioral issues, her tantrums, hospitalizations, and infamous refusal to comply with doctor's orders, while Amy's setbacks were often brushed off with quirky music and comedic editing. Viewers watched as Tammy was vilified for emotional outbursts and poor decisions, while Amy was rarely held accountable for questionable actions of her own. One now deleted Reddit thread by someone claiming to be a former production assistant described Amy as difficult, manipulative, and unpredictable, alleging she frequently fought with producers, threatened to walk off set, and manipulated scenes to appear more sympathetic. Even more disturbing are claims that Amy was involved in several incidents involving child welfare concerns. While no formal accusations have been confirmed by CPS or TLC, online sleuths and fan investigators have dug up multiple clues suggesting that Amy's parenting may not be as picture-perfect as shown. From unattended messes in her home to on-camera clips where her children appear in hazardous situations, critics argue that producers have intentionally downplayed or edited out footage that would reflect poorly on Amy as a mother. These suspicions reached a boiling point after a brief but noticeable absence of her children from several episodes, which was never explained on screen. TLC claimed scheduling conflicts, but fans weren't buying it. Then there's the money issue. Amy's income skyrocketed as the show gained popularity, but questions have been raised about how that money has been spent. Reports from local Kentucky residents describe Amy's spending as erratic, with purchases that include luxury strollers, designer clothes, and allegedly expensive beauty treatments, even while she claimed financial hardship during court proceedings. Her social media accounts show flashes of a lavish lifestyle that doesn't always align with the humble persona fans were first introduced to. Perhaps the biggest concern among critics is TLC's role in all of this. The network has a long history of manipulating narratives to suit branding goals. From "Here Comes Honey Boo Boo" to 19 Kids and Counting, TLC has demonstrated a willingness to protect certain cast members, often until public Backlash forces their hand. With 1000 LB Sisters, some insiders believe TLC sees Amy as the emotional core of the show, a mother trying to rebuild her life and raise two kids against the odds. This narrative is profitable, marketable, and palatable to mainstream audiences. But what happens when the truth doesn't match the script? While Tammy's physical transformation has drawn massive attention, losing over 500 pounds and undergoing a complete lifestyle overhaul, Amy's progress has plateaued. Her post-surgery weight gain, paired with frequent emotional instability, paints a less triumphant picture. Yet the show continues to frame her in a sympathetic light, often redirecting attention to Tammy's past failures or the antics of side characters. It's a classic case of selective storytelling, and critics are starting to push back. Social media has become the battleground for these conversations. On TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, and Facebook fan groups, a growing number of followers have begun questioning Amy's behavior and TLC's editing choices. Amy Slayton is not the person TLC wants you to think she is, one viral TikTok claimed, accompanied by a montage of suspicious clips, awkward interactions with her children, and moments where her attitude seemed inconsistent with her sweet mom image. Another former fan posted, "Tammy might have had her demons, but at least she was honest about them. Amy's hiding something, and TLC is helping her." Some of the harshest criticism has come from those who feel betrayed by the narrative. These fans rooted for Amy from the beginning, celebrated her milestones, and watched her become a mother with sincere hope that she would escape the cycle of trauma and poor health. Now, many of those same supporters are expressing disappointment, and even outrage, over what they see as a calculated over-up. "She lied to us," one Reddit user posted. "Or at the very least, she wasn't being real. And that hurts because we believed in her." Despite all the speculation, TLC has remained tight-lipped. Official responses to inquiries about editing bias, legal disputes, or production interference are minimal. When questioned, representatives often fall back on a vague disclaimer. 1000 LB Sisters is a reality-based show. Some scenes may be dramatized for television. That carefully crafted phrase, "may be dramatized," says everything and nothing at the same time. Meanwhile, Amy herself has issued few statements addressing the rumors. On TikTok and Instagram, she continues to post light-hearted content, makeup tutorials, selfies, silly dances, rarely engaging with critical comments or addressing the larger controversy. Whether by choice or instruction from TLC, Amy appears to be avoiding confrontation. That silence only fuels the fire. Could it be that Amy Slayton is not the innocent, determined underdog we were led to believe? Is TLC deliberately covering up misconduct, poor parenting, or manipulative behavior to preserve their star's image and protect their investment? The answers are murky at best. Reality television thrives on illusion, the illusion of change, the illusion of intimacy, the illusion of honesty. And when that illusion starts to crack, the entire structure risks collapse. For now, the Slayton sisters remain on air. Tammy's transformation has become the centerpiece of the show's most recent season, drawing applause and admiration. But Amy's story is no longer clear-cut. Fans are watching, questioning, and in some cases, turning away. As more behind-the-scenes information leaks and as viewers become savvier about the tricks of reality TV, TLC may face increasing pressure to address the narrative gap surrounding Amy. If they continue to ignore it, they risk not just backlash, but the loss of trust that makes their programming work in the first place. At its heart, 1000 LB Sisters was supposed to be about growth, redemption, and family bonds. But as the spotlight shifts and shadows grow longer, the question remains, is the truth about Amy Slayton just too damaging for TLC to show? Only time, and perhaps an unfiltered documentary, will tell. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more of that. A News.